10 seconds, 5 seconds, ready, start. Clause 2 defines the expression inverted comma start very prestigious unit inverted comma close as a new industrial unit established in any panchayat smiti of the state during the period of this scheme in which investment in fixed capital is rupees 100 crores or more. Stop. However, the progressive investment of the amount of project cost as appraised by the financial institutions shall be considered as investment made by a new unit, and as soon as such investment reaches or crosses the point of rupees 100 crores during the operative period of the scheme, the unit shall acquire the status of a very prestigious unit for the purpose of claiming enhanced proportionate benefits under this scheme. Stop. Next para. The very prestigious unit means a new industrial unit established in any panchayat samiti in the state during the operative period of the scheme, and the other important requirement is the investment in such industrial unit must be rupees 100 crores or more. Stop. The second limb of the definition clause provides for a new industrial unit to acquire the status of very prestigious unit. Stop. The project cost as appraised by the financial institution shall be considered as investment made by a new unit. Stop. The progressive investment of the amount of project cost as soon as it reaches or crosses the point of rupees 100 crores during the operation of this scheme, the industrial unit shall acquire the status of a very prestigious unit in order to claim enhanced proportionate benefits under the scheme. Stop. Clause 2 provides for constitution of screening committee for the purpose of consideration and to grant eligibility certificate under the new incentive scheme both for small and medium and also large scale industrial units to avail benefit under the new incentive scheme. Stop. The note appended to this subclause speaks of small scale units, medium scale units, and large scale units. Stop. Small scale units means a unit of which investment in plant and machinery does not exceed rupees 60 lakhs. A medium scale unit means a unit of which the project cost does not exceed rupees 5 crores, and large scale unit means a unit of which the project cost exceeds rupees 5 crores. Stop. Clause 3 of the notification speaks of applicability of the scheme. Stop. By this clause, the state government has made this scheme applicable to 1. New industrial units, 2. Industrial units going in for expansion or diversification, and 3. Sick units. Stop. Clause 4 provides for exemption from panchayat of sales tax. Full stop.